Let's take an in-depth look into the QX-MINI emergency communication system, its features, hardware, and configuration. The QX-MINI system is built from a range of versatile components designed for seamless integration. The QX-MINI master panel provides the central control with a 30-watt amplifier and the option to expand to 60 watts. Additional components include a 24-button display controller for zone and message activation, the QAD30 amplifier for added audio power, and the QAS2X8 zone splitter for detailed circuit control. Booster panels, remote microphones, and local operating consoles further enhance system scalability and functionality. Together, these components create a flexible, reliable solution for emergency communication and voice evacuation. The QX-MINI master panel operates as a standalone unit or as part of a fire alarm system. With any fire alarm system, it can be controlled and activated using 2 NAC circuits and/or 2 relay inputs. When integrated with Mircom-compatible fire alarm control panels, the system can be connected via the addressable loop for enhanced control and monitoring. The master panel features a 30-watt dual-circuit audio amplifier, software selectable for 25-volt or 70-volt operation. It includes 2 built-in notification appliance circuits, each rated at 2.5 amps. For greater capacity, the system supports an optional dual-circuit 30-watt amplifier module, doubling the output to 60 watts with 4 speaker circuits. An optional 8-circuit zone splitter adds further circuit control, making the system highly adaptable. With its scalable design, booster panels can be added to provide comprehensive coverage and reliable performance for emergency audio notifications. The master is equipped with pre-recorded digital messages for various emergency scenarios, including fire, evacuation, and severe weather. Using the panel's configuration software, you can also create custom audio messages with text-to-speech functionality or direct audio recording. The system supports up to 12 minutes of audio storage, providing flexibility to meet the unique communication needs of your application. Additionally, the QX-MINI Master accommodates up to 6 remote microphones or local operating consoles, enhancing operational control and functionality across larger installations. Batteries up to 18 amp-hour in size can be accommodated inside of the enclosure. The charger can work with batteries up to 75 amp-hour installed in an external enclosure. The master panel features 12 programmable switches that can be customized for various functions. These switches can activate specific zones, allowing targeted message delivery, or enable paging zone selection for live announcements. Additionally, pre-recorded messages can be initiated with a single press, and paging zone circuits can be selected to receive these messages. This intuitive design ensures quick and efficient communication during emergencies, enhancing the system's operational flexibility. The main display of the master panel provides essential controls and indicators for system operation. The 12 switches on the main display can be configured for specific functions. Zone activation. Pressing a switch activates the assigned zone circuits and plays a pre-programmed message. Paging zone selection. Pressing a switch prepares the selected zone circuits to receive live microphone announcements. Pre-recorded message selection. Pressing a switch triggers a pre-programmed message, which can then be directed to selected zones. Common control switches include the All Call button, which selects all circuits for paging, the Clear Selection button to cancel all active switches, and the Visual Indicator test for verifying LED functionality. Additionally, the Trouble Indicator that includes a buzzer silence function. The display features LED indicators for AC power, ground fault, CPU health, active messages, alarms, pretones, and paging readiness. These configurable options provide operators with control functionality for managing emergency communication effectively. The master panel and LOCs can be expanded with a QAZT5302DS, optional 24 programmable button display adder, allowing for additional control and flexibility. Each button can be configured for various functions, such as zone activation, paging zone selection, or pre-recorded message selection. This expansion ensures the system can accommodate larger and more complex installations, enhancing its functionality for diverse applications. The master panel features a compact and efficient internal design. Inside the chassis, you'll find the main board with a QAD30 amplifier and optional spaces for system expansion. The panel includes a QAD30 amplifier that provides 30 watts of audio power and can be expanded with a second amplifier for a total of 60 watts. Additionally, the optional QAS2X8 zone splitter module offers expanded circuit control. This modular layout allows for easy maintenance, customization, and scalability to meet the specific needs of any installation. The QAD30 amplifier is a key component of the QX-MINI system, delivering 30 watts of audio power. It features two fully supervised speaker circuits, configurable as Class A or Class B. While each output can provide up to 30 watts, the total combined power of both outputs cannot exceed 30 watts. For example, if one circuit is loaded at 20 watts, the other can only support up to 10 watts. The amplifier supports selectable output voltages of 25 volt or 70 volt. LED indicators assist with troubleshooting, and the QAD30 can function as a backup amplifier when configured in the system. The QAS2X8 zone splitter enhances the QX-MINI system by adding 8 independently controllable and fully supervised output circuits with the ability to turn each output on or off. The splitter can enable different audio signals to be played across separate zones simultaneously. This makes it an ideal tool for complex installations requiring customized audio distribution. The QAS2X8 is compatible with both the QX-MINI Master and booster panels, and it mounts directly onto the main board. The zone splitter is highly versatile, offering several application options to meet diverse installation needs. In a single audio message setup, the splitter can increase the number of speaker circuits, providing up to 9 controllable output circuits by combining one direct amplifier output with the 8 outputs of the splitter. In this scenario, amplifier output 1 is used as a direct speaker circuit. Amplifier output 2 is connected to input 1 on the zone splitter and is available to be switched onto any combination of the 8 outputs on the zone splitter. It is important not to exceed the amplifier's total capacity of 30 watts. For more advanced configurations, 2 amplifiers can feed the splitter's inputs, providing 10 output circuits. Here, output 1 on each amplifier is being used as a speaker zone. Output 2 from each amplifier is connected to input 1 and input 2 of the splitter. This setup supports a total of 60 watts of audio power while maintaining independent control of 10 speaker circuits. The QAS2X8 enables scalable and customizable audio solutions, ideal for managing zones in complex installations. It is important not to exceed the 2 amplifiers' total capacity of 60 watts. The splitter can also be used in a dual audio message configuration, where 2 amplifiers provide separate message audio sources. Each output from the splitter can be programmed to select either input 1 or input 2, enabling different messages to be played in separate zones simultaneously. This application provides 8 controllable output circuits, offering flexibility for dynamic and diverse messaging needs. Care should be taken to avoid designs that will exceed a single amplifier's maximum load of 30 watts. The QX-MINI Booster Panel, or BP, is designed to expand the system's audio output capabilities. Up to 5 booster panels can be connected to the QX-MINI Master with a single twisted shielded pair. Each booster panel provides 30 watts of audio power across 2 speaker circuits, configurable for 25 volt or 70 volt operation. 2 onboard synchronized notification appliance circuits provide up to 2.5 amps each. An optional QAD30 amplifier can be added to double the output to 60 watts with 4 speaker circuits. The BP also supports an optional 8-circuit zone splitter for additional control. The cabinet can support up to 18 amp-hour batteries and provides charging capacity up to 75 amp-hour for externally mounted batteries. The BP's scalability allows for comprehensive audio coverage in larger installations. The QX-MINI remote microphone, or RM, enhances the system's flexibility by allowing remote paging and control. Up to 6 remote microphones can be connected to the QX-MINI master via an RS-485 annunciator bus. These microphones are powered by a 24 VDC terminal on the master panel's main board. This configuration ensures reliable communication across multiple locations while maintaining centralized control. The QX-MINI RM provides a solution for expanding the reach and functionality of the emergency communication system. The QX-MINI Local Operating Console, or LOCR, is a remote station that combines a microphone with a main display for system control. It duplicates the functionality of the QX-MINI Master, providing operators with full control from a remote location. This flexibility ensures that critical system functions can be accessible in multiple locations. Additional space is provided for a 24-button display adder or a remote fire alarm system annunciator display, like the RAC's LCD light connected to a compatible Mircom fire alarm panel. The Local Operating Console, or LOCR, can be equipped with the optional RAC's LCD light annunciator. This fire alarm annunciator display provides real-time status and monitoring for compatible Mircom fire alarm control panels. By integrating the RAC's LCD light into the LOCR, operators gain enhanced visibility and control over the fire alarm and ECS system, ensuring timely and informed responses to emergencies. This feature makes the LOCR an essential component for installations requiring extended functionality and system monitoring at remote locations. This system schematic illustrates the QX-MINI Master operating with conventional inputs. Activation is achieved using 2 NAC circuits and/or 2 relay contact inputs from any fire alarm control unit. The master panel is connected to multiple booster panels, each capable of providing up to 60 watts of audio output. Remote microphones and local operating consoles are connected via RS-485, ensuring reliable communication across the system. This conventional setup provides a straightforward and effective solution for emergency communication, accommodating both small and mid-sized installations. This schematic shows the QX-MINI system in an addressable control configuration. The QX-MINI Master is connected to a compatible Mircom fire alarm control panel using the addressable loop. This integration allows for advanced monitoring and control of the system on a per-point basis. Up to 5 booster panels can be connected, providing a total of 360 watts of audio output. Up to 6 remote microphones or local operating consoles communicate through the RS-485 annunciator bus, ensuring seamless functionality across the system. This addressable setup offers a scalable, intelligent solution for managing complex emergency communication needs. QX-MINI systems can now support UL and ULC-listed low-frequency audibility using MGC speakers and speaker strobes. A 520 Hz low-frequency tone file is available in the System Configurator software on versions 2.4.2 and above. Using speakers instead of standard signals can provide a building with enhanced notification options. In addition, the cost of low-frequency sounders and power supplies can be reduced due to the better performing load characteristics of speaker circuits for fire alarm audibility. For more information about this and other Mircom Fire products, visit us at mircom.com.